Hi, I'm Tanvi Panchal Bangera, founder at Startbox Solutions Private Limited and partner at AKMK and Associates. We have branches across 3 states, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Gujarat. We have a team of 100 plus professionals having partners, 10 partners who are expert in their various fields. We are catering to a lot of different kind of sectors, namely diamond, ceramic, education, construction, cosmetics or wires and cables, and even e-commerce industries we are catering to. I would also like to highlight, we have 3 verticals basically, one of which is Zoho. So in Zoho we are doing Zoho implementations, migration, training and ongoing support services. Apart from that, we being a team of chartered accountants and cost accountants, MBAs, so each partner is having expertise in different areas. Like some partner is into compliance, some are into consulting, and some are into, like me, I'm too much into Zoho. We got connected to Zoho in 2017, I think 5 years back. One of my partner, Anil Kagatra, had visited Chennai office, and from there we actually got connected to Zoho. And since then we are partners of Zoho. So the first client that we had was a very basic startup. It was a cosmetic company. Like they were selling their products through their website and other e-commerce platforms. So for us it was actually a very complex kind of a thing, because we being chartered accountants are very much used to traditional accounting softwares. So those softwares are basically on-premise. So this was something new, and the client was quite keen that, no, we want to go for Zoho because they are having quite good features. So because of that client, we got a lot of experience into books as well as inventory. So since it was a cosmetic industry, they wanted to have a track of all their products coming in, going out, how much stock they are having in their warehouses at different. They had 2-3 warehouses, like Amazon was one warehouse, one was their own warehouse, and they were also selling on Flipkart. So this was a complex thing for us basically. Right now we can do a lot of things, but then at that particular point of time it was very difficult for us also. So we took a long time implementing, but then that was a very good experience, and from there we actually got to know what exactly Zoho is, what the capabilities are. And we took a lot of interest personally to understand the Zoho products. Like we took trainings from their training team. We got connected to a lot of other products also. So basically the client's demand made us explore the products, because as a CA we have a lot of other commitments. But since we used to get leads directly from Zoho, like we were listed on the accountants tab on the Zoho Books website. So from there we used to get direct leads. So when you're getting direct business, who will say no to it? And majorly in pandemic was something where we shooted up like anything, and now we have also upgraded our partner profile. So the journey was quite amazing with Zoho, because the support that we get from the partner team, the support team, and even the product team, basically if we are facing any issues, they are always there to tell us that this feature is going to come maybe in next few months, it's going to roll out. As a chartered accountant, as a traditional practitioner, we are using certain few very famous accounting softwares which are generally on premises, and even the clients ask us to use those software because those are popular and everybody is using, so you have to use that. And maybe there is some cost structure also which inclines towards that. Earlier what we saw is that entrepreneurs were not so much concerned that you show us the reports. They will give the data, you do the accounting, and CA will do the work and it's done. At the end of the year, you give the financials and it's completed. But right now it's not like that. The government has made so many changes, monthly GST filings, and entrepreneurs are also so much interested to know what is going on in their business, like how is the sales trend, what exactly is my inventory position, whether it is matching to my books or not matching to my books. So those things right now they are also very much interested to know, which is not possible when it is on a on-premise software and the accounting is done only by the chartered accountant, and there is no role of entrepreneurs looking at the figures which the accounting software is actually showing up. So I would like to say to the chartered accountants community, even the tax practitioners community, that during the pandemic this became very important, that if other softwares also have now migrated and went on cloud from on-premise. But since Zoho was already on cloud, people directly shifted. Like, we had such a great shift. Even our existing clients, when they came to know that we are a Zoho partner, we are doing implementations, they also came and told us that, stop using this software, so that we also get to see what are the figures. And they are also able to provide a lot of input that, see, this is a mistake that has happened, or, this I wanted to change. They are able to take decisions based on the dashboards. Very simple example. If somebody is looking at your receivables and payables, Zoho Books dashboard is giving you such a good figure and the drill down option that an entrepreneur can find out that if so much amount is stuck with the debtors. So he can tell their receivables team that, please work on this. This is not done. So earlier that was not possible, because he will only come to know at the end of the year when, balance sheet is finalized. So about cloud accounting as a whole, I would want to suggest that change is the only constant. So you all should change. And Zoho's team is there to support you. Like technologically, if we are not sound, that's okay. I mean, we were also not. But how Zoho has brought us up, giving the trainings and getting clients also requirements, small requirements they have incorporated, given us workarounds. So I don't see a challenge in that. You obviously, change is a resistance is there, but you can overcome over a period of time. So I would like to strongly recommend to have this shift as soon as possible.